if it... Whoa. Dad, put more in.
Won't fit. It's coming out.
Can I do that?
Hold on.
Whoa, that's a very explosive volcano, Zachy.
That's just like a weird volcano.
Whoa. Look at that. Wow, that's good lava. It looks very real.
And it's coming down to places where I colored it orange.
Convenient, right?
Yes,
Oh
it
wow,
is.
that's actually really cool.
That's really cool, huh?
Like the darker orange is where it's going down.
It's wild, Zach. You predicted the eruption.
Why did both of them go to that side?
I don't know.
Maybe because that's just the side they like to go. And there's dust. They go to all the orange. Oh yeah. Put more in.
Here it comes.
Why is it only coming down? I have no idea. And remember when Moana, the grandmother, said, "Whatever just happened, let me know on the pig."
Whoa!
The lava looks much more like
Why
lifelike,
I don't-
right here
It's my
than on the
volcano.
screen.
It is. Okay, go for it.
So much bubbles. Oh, it's coming, Zachy.
Here it comes. Want some more of this?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Just pour it right in the center. Right down the center. Stop. Stop.
Can I put too much?
No, you did
Ooh,
perfect.
someone's leaking down.
That's lava.
That's lava,
That's what
man.
it leaks.
Dad, you should mix it up a little more.
Want to mix
Because
it?
you just poured it.
Mix it with the new liquid in there.
Mom.
Here it comes.
I think it needs
No, not quite yet. We gotta let this, really let this work.
Very cool.